Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to cancel BWJ travel membership. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you need to type on any search browser like cancel my membership BWJ travel, and once you get the result you need to click on first one result like this one, BWJ travel agent. This is the official website. You need to visit on this page, and once you visit on this page you will be over here and you need to click on over here cancellation request. Okay, you need to tap on this option, and once you are on this screen you need to enter the details like your email address, what is the reason behind the cancellation, and you need to enter your some information like some message like what is your cancellation policy number and all. You need to provide each and every information, and you can also provide some feedback, and you need to click on submit. Okay, but make sure the email address you are providing, this is the, you can say, registered email address. Okay, so this is the method by which you can cancel your subscription or membership. Once you submit your form, make sure they will provide you instant reply on your mail. You need to confirm your cancellation on your mail. Okay, without confirmation they cannot delete your, you can say, membership. Okay, you need to visit on your email address instantly, and then you need to confirm your cancellation, and then within 24 hours they will reply you. Okay, so this is the method by which you can cancel your BWJ travel agent membership. If you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.